This bridge is the busiest. This good breakfast already. Yeah, good breakfast. In Venice, Italy, the city's historic layout, no cars, many bridges, and lots of narrow alleys. That means you'll almost always be moving items on foot once you're inside the islands. Goods are typically brought in by boat and then transported on hand carts, carioli, or by people pushing or pulling luggage over bridges and cobblestones. This is how they haul their stuff in here in the alleys of Venice. Hi. Romantico. The Doo Palace Hotel. Do you want to stay in the Doo Palace?
No, it looks nice.
There's no way in here. It's blanco. We're just figuring it out. Yeah, it's true. There's some little bit of smell to it, but it's not like only if you go near the canal, pretty much. But if you're just walking in the strips, you won't smell the canal.
There's a lot of smokers.
Yeah, but turn left here, Doodle?
Yeah.
Okay.
A Padova ce n'è una che è una minchiata, fanno percorsi che altro. Inartificiale. Poi non sono mai stato, ma in provincia di
Oh, I think we're going the wrong way.
Oh, I'm going the wrong direction.
Oh, I forgot to get my water.
Two. Okay, get your water, go. Okay. This is their transportation to carry some stuff here. A pharmacy. Where's the bridge?
Yeah.
Okay, I'll follow you, okay? Can we pause for a little bit in the bridge down?
Huh?
Pause a little bit in the bridge. To do a little bit of filming. Okay, let's talk about the gondola ride in Venice. This is probably the most iconic thing to do here, but is it actually worth it? I'm going to give you my honest thoughts. First impression. First of all, they are beautiful. The black boats, the striped shirts of gondoliers, it's exactly what you picture when you think of Venice. Now, let's talk about the price. Our private gondola ride costs around 90 to 120 euros for about 30 minutes, and that's for up to 5 people. So if you're alone or a couple, it feels expensive. But if you split it with family or friends, it becomes more reasonable.
Okay, let's go. Wait, he's picking on Dante.
Oh no. Dante. Dante is all over Europe. Here anyway, so might as well look.
Yeah.
Don't stand there, don't.
Oh, later.
Later. Okay, go inside.
Okay,
Go
can you hold
inside.
your...
Oh, they have Nikes.
If you need help, I speak English.
Those are like the... No? No?
This is Ferrari original.
Oh.
If no Puma, no real. There is many things fake in Venice. It's like the football jersey. Football jersey.
Come on, this way.
What? This way?
Yeah.
Okay.
Wait, hold on.
No. What?
I gotta wait for the GPS to load. Okay, yes, this way.
This way? We're actually not sure where this leads, but that's the beauty of Venice. You don't really follow a plan here. You just walk and explore. I feel like it's more chill here. The life is more chill. You don't have to like rush. But let me tell you again, wear comfortable shoes. You will walk a lot here, and the streets are uneven, sometimes slippery near the canals.
And then once we reach the bridge, we go left.
So once we cross the bridge, we turn left, okay?
No, we don't cross the bridge. We just keep on going right, and then when we see the bridge, we cross it.
Ah, okay. So we turn right here.
Yeah. Not these bridges, but like it's very far.
Those are water taxi.
Yep.
Oh, this is picturesque, Dodong. Can I take a picture here, Dodong?
See, the puppy was looking for me whenever I used
Yeah,
my...
when you use that voice, I told you whenever you use that voice, don't put the whole thing.
Come on, put the whole thing so it's more secure.
The pocket is here, so I'm holding it from over here.
Okay, I'll hold it there.
Okay.
Alrighty. Yeah, we still go this way
Okay.
until we get there.
Okay. Yeah, where is the Marco Polo?
The other one
This
was
is
like
Rialto,
all the
right?
way on the other side.
Oh, on the other side. Sorry guys, this is Rialto. You can get to our hotel in two different stations or port, Rialto or Marco Polo.
Rialto's better.
Buy your tickets over there.
I think that's the bridge we crossed on.
No, we were from that way.
No, like that's the bridge we're going to cross.
Oh, from going to the thing?
Football, not soccer.
Yeah.
Football.
I'll just hold it this way for a change of scenery. You can see our face.
Turn it around now. No, so they can see the bridge.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Good. We have to bring carry-on luggage, guys, because you're gonna be walking around with a very heavy luggage here, and it's so hard.
Nonna, perché ci sono dei lucchetti? Perché lo faccio come Roma.
Gondola rides. Oh, sigarilyo. Daghan tama magsigarilyo. No? Baho kayo. Diretso
Oh
daw.
my god.
Baho kayo dito. Rialto Port. You can get from Rialto Port to the main island, to Santa Lucia, Venezia. Lots of place. So many tourists this time. We're going to the bridge though?
Yeah.
Oh, Hotel Rialto. I hope I'm getting a good shot here. Yeah, I am. Tourists like us. All the way across though?
Yeah.
This must be one of the biggest bridge because everybody is here. Watch your step down, okay?
One way for tourists.
Okay. Bus. Oh, turn left. Okay, stand here for now. So one thing about Venice, you will get lost. Google Maps tries its best, but these streets are so small and twisty. But honestly, that's part of the fun. Every wrong turn leads to something beautiful, interesting, or just exciting. We're probably in the central like market because there's like stores over here of different stuff. Oh, Dudong, this one, Dudong.
What is this one?
Yeah, we go the other way. So right now we're exploring the local markets and souvenir shops here in Venice. If you're looking for gifts or pasalubong or something special to bring home, this is the place to be. There are so many shops here. There are a lot of glass, bags, magnets, and handmade items. You can also see a lot of Murano glass made from the island of Murano near Venice. It's one of their specialties. Do you know what time is it? Yes, now? Yeah, right now?
I think it's 11.
11? Grazie.
11:21.
Grazie. 11:21. So it's the peak of the hour. People are everywhere. Ooh, we can buy ourselves some drinks there, you don't? Okay. Okay, let's get water.
Yeah, I'm thirsty.
Grazie. Let's check this store out after. Let's drink first. Huh?
Store.
And then we're gonna get some keychain for pasalubong.
So here we are at the peak of the hour. It's 11 o'clock currently. There's many people. Got some keychains.
I'll get some keychains, okay?
One for €2,
$3.
3 for 5.
Okay, we'll do 3 for 5.
No, are you sure?
Prices here really depend on location. Near tourist spots, it's more expensive. If you walk a little farther, you'll find better deals. Don't be afraid to compare before buying. There's this 3 for 5. Maybe we can find something cheaper.
It's also 3 for 5, Mom.
She might not.
Most of these are
They have the
probably-
same price.
Most of these
Maybe
could
if
be a
we go
scam.
farther, right?
But look, there's some Sonic plushies, some purses, some hats, and ties. Pretty busy area.
Dante though.
There's Dante. There's also a water station here if you need it, so
Those small metal spout fountains you see throughout Venice, often called fontanelle, are connected directly to the same potable water network used in homes and hotels. That means what you drink from a fountain is essentially the same water you'd get from the hotels.
Mom, let me do it.
You do it. Okay.
You don't have long arms. It's nice and cool water too.
Nice and cool water.
Yeah.
Good, good.
So we got some hoodies for me and Leanne.
They're $18. No, 18 euros.
Each.
We hoggle.
Wait, Mom.
Yeah.
This is probably the one. Yeah, let's go in here.
This bridge is the busiest.